to Ireland, my own dear native land. It breaks my heart to see friends part, for it's then the teardrops fall. I'm on my way to America, will I e'er see home once more? For now I leave my own true love on Paddy's green shamrock shore. Our ship she lies at anchor, she's standing by the quay. May fortune bright shine down each night as we sail over the sea. Many ships have been lost, many lives it cost on the journey that lies before. With a tear in my eye, I'm bidding goodbye to Paddy's green shamrock shore. So fare thee well, my own true love, I think of you night and day. And a place in my mind you surely will find, although I'm far, far away. Though I'll be alone, far away from home, I'll think of the good times once more. Until the day I can make me way back to Paddy's green shamrock shore. And now the ship is on the way, may heaven protect us all. With the winds and the sail, we surely can't fail on this voyage to Baltimore. But my parents and friends did wave to the end, till I could see them no more. I then took a chance with one last glance at Paddy's green shamrock shore.